You want a beautiful, long-lasting paint job, right? Well, the secret's in the prep work. Skipping this crucial step leads to problems. Think peeling paint, uneven finishes, and wasted time and money. We don't want that. Proper wall prep ensures the paint adheres correctly. It also hides imperfections for a smooth, professional look. Trust me, a little effort here goes a long way. So, before you even crack open that paint can, let's get those walls ready for a fantastic makeover. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Having the right tools makes any job easier. For wall prep, gather these essentials. Cleaning supplies like a bucket, warm water, mild detergent, and sponges. You might also need a scraper for stubborn grime or wallpaper residue. Patching compound for filling holes and cracks. Choose a lightweight, fast-drying formula. Use a putty knife to apply and smooth patching compound. Medium grit sandpaper, around 120, for smoothing patched areas and rough spots. Drop cloths to protect your floors and furniture from dust and splatters. Painter's tape to mask off trim, moldings, and areas you don't want painted. And finally, a primer formulated for your specific wall surface and paint type. Remember, investing in quality tools and materials pays off in the long run. First things first, clean those walls. Dust, cobwebs and grease prevent paint from adhering properly. Use warm, soapy water and a sponge. Rinse well and let the walls dry completely. Next, inspect for damage. Fill holes and cracks with patching compound using a putty knife. Let it dry completely, then sand smooth with medium grit sandpaper. This creates a uniform surface for painting. For stubborn wallpaper glue, use a scraper or wallpaper remover solution. Be patient and work in small sections for best results. Remember, a clean, smooth surface is key to a flawless paint job. Priming is crucial. It seals the wall, providing a uniform base for the paint to adhere to. This prevents flashing and ensures a smooth, even finish. Choose a primer formulated for your specific needs. For instance, use a stain-blocking primer on walls with water stains or crayon marks. Apply a thin, even coat with a brush or roller, following the manufacturer's instructions. Let the primer dry completely before painting. This usually takes a few hours, but check the manufacturer's guidelines for specific drying times. Now you're ready to paint. Remember these tips for a professional-looking paint job? Don't rush the prep work. Allow ample drying time between each step. Use quality tools and materials. Clean up any spills or splatters immediately. With a little patience and effort, you'll achieve a beautiful, long-lasting paint job you can be proud of.